This PBA Tour season has proven to be a bit of a struggle.
I've got a lot of intrusive thoughts right now. Not good ones, and a lot of the ones that I have not thought of in a long time. Like probably since I first came out on tour. I just am physically stopping myself from having success.
Missing cuts week after week with no improvement in the standings can really start to weigh down on a player.
That was the worst block of the season. I'm last. And the snowball is just snowballing. And I'm trying my best to stop the snowball. But maybe I just need to not stop the snowball and embrace the snowball and hope it crashes into something and just isn't a snowball anymore. Chris, what do I need to crash into? It's tough out here because it's nonstop. You don't really have time to just decompress. The results are playing too much of a factor in how I'm thinking. I am getting in my own way, but it's hard. You know, I'm trying. It's not like I'm just letting it consume me and I'm just gonna let it bait me. It's hard. It's hard. And I just want you guys to know if you're going through a similar thing, it happens to the best of us. So just keep fighting, because I'm gonna keep fighting. Because if I'm not gonna keep fighting, I might as well just go home now.
We're at the final stop of the opening swing of the season, and this is Darren's last chance to cash before we go on a 3-week break.
I had 350 after 2, which means I was about 50-something under. No, actually, I think it was 340. At 160, 170. Wasn't a good start, and then we had something going. Shot 220. It was a pretty good 220. And then a really bad 209, open in the 10th, could have 243. Then 170, and then 249 to cap it off. It was a back 7, 249. So that was kind of a block saver, and more for the morale than anything else. But my expectations aren't super high given where I'm at physically and mentally, just trying to keep my head down and play the game. Every time I wanted to get frustrated today, I kind of just let it go and just move to the next shot, which I feel like I need to do regardless of the position I'm in. So I felt like I did a pretty good job. I got a little lost later in the block, just missed a move, made some wrong decisions, but all in all, we still got life. The cut's 120 over. I'm even, and the cash is 100 over. So put together some big blocks. If we do what we did last week, we'll be in a good spot. But just gonna keep moving forward. Chris, however, is bowling really good. He's in 4th, so hopefully he can keep it up. Hopefully I can make up some ground and get a little closer to him and be in a good spot going into tomorrow.
I like that.
Block 2 coming up.
All right, guys, I want to tell you real quick about our brand new merch on dynastybowl.com. It's not your typical bowling merch. You can get athletic bowling wear kind of wherever you want. We want to come out with bowling streetwear. We've got jackets, oversized tees, hoodies, sweats, and an important thing to note is that these are oversized heavyweight clothes. In all the pictures that you see on screen, I'm wearing only size small, but it fits like a large, extra large. So go to dynastybowl.com. You can get 15% off any order over $60 and free shipping on any order over $99. So head to the link below, check it out. You're gonna love it, I promise.
Forgot to give you guys a recap yesterday. It went a lot better. We had 140 over. Shout out to Timmy Mack with the swing thought assist. He got me going in the right direction, so I really appreciate that he went out of his way to pay attention to what I was doing and give me something to do, because it really helped me just think about the one thing. We had a better block, mostly because of that, so big shout out to Timmy. I do appreciate him very much. So today we just gotta figure out what we're gonna do in the fresh and then continue the process from last night, because last night was really good. Hit a rough pair to the last game. It was really just one lane. Feeling pretty confident in the 2-step. Been striking honestly probably more in the right lanes than the left lanes. Maybe I should just 2-step on both, but if I got more approach, I'm going to use it. Hopefully we can just take advantage of the good pairs and salvage the bad ones. Same. Let's get it.
Lighting up the land like a star when I land. Fly around the world, I'm the new Peter Pan. Money on my mind as I do the
missed match play by 18. That's the bad news. The good news is I bowled good today. I bowled good last night, and we're taking the necessary steps to move forward. So we did get a check. Didn't get blanked on this swing. I don't know if I've ever gotten blanked on a swing. So if that is the case, let's keep it that way, because this is how we make some money, and I would like to keep it that way. But tie for 26th. It's not bad considering I was in 59th on the first day. Went 140 over last night, 150 over this block. Missed cut by 20. Missed just about every spare under the sun the first block, if it was more than one pin on the lane. So yeah, we'll take that as a positive. We have a 3-week break, kind of. Yeah, I'm feeling better. I'm bowling better. Got a little bit of confidence. You know, I can still play out here. I always could. It's just sometimes we're riding that fine line of not feeling very good physically, and then mentally it kind of wears us down. Chris is in 5th. He gets a bye, so we get the rest of the day off, and then he bowls tomorrow, and hopefully he makes the show, and hopefully he wins. Shout out to Mikey though for the ball recommendation. We drove an OG high road while we were at the shop, and used it for probably more than half the tournament. So yeah, good stuff. If you guys are interested, head over to TV Bowling Supply. You guys can phone in orders as well. And if you subscribe to me on Twitch, you get 10% off. So, yeah.